You get scared about cars swerving off the road and hitting you? There's no point in worrying about it. It's kind of like an if it happens kind of situation. Oh, the mosquitoes are out fully right now. Just a wave of them summoned out of the sky. But yeah, I didn't really know the tick situation in this area, but that kind of tall grass going through there, pretty prime tick kind of territory. Makes sense we got one on us. Ton of mosquitoes, holy. Acaridin, do your thing. There's not that much surface area that they can actually bite, but my face they can. Bobby DiMaggio boards 85 kilometers Central Time. Tomorrow, Central Time, new province. Big progress. Bit late for tick season. Got one. It was attached to my leg, but not enough in there where you really have to dig it out. It was just like starting to dig in there. Bastard. Hate those things. How much was the hotel? Last night it was like $80 or something. But we had the truck lady pay for it. She drove by when I first rolled by twice when we were on our way to Casino Dude's place to say hi. Wanted to get me a pay for my hotel, so she did. How long does it take for them to latch on? Like it was attached to me, but it was like it wasn't buried in there, you know? I don't actually know how long it takes for them to fully, like, I've been told, like, if you catch them within, like, pretty much 24 hours, then the chance of them transferring Lyme disease or any other transferable disease is fairly slim. Was it Casino Dude evening? No, it was good. We ate a ton of food. It was delicious. I camped in the backyard. They did my laundry. I had a shower the next morning. Good conversation. A few beers. Second they latch on. Nervous. That's not what I've read. But feel free to do your own research. It's just a Google away. Way you can watch your clips. Yeah. Well, there's usually a clips tab, or is it in the video tab now? If you're on mobile, there's a separate clip tab. Is there a separate clip tab on desktop? Also, the YouTube channel is a great place to check out clips. Found a bush yet? Yeah, I did. Just got right out there. So it's getting dark pretty quick. I'll get the lights on for the ride. The bones were not thrown on the ground. There's a bin right there. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's just thrown on the ground. Why are you always looking for a bush at dark? As I just said, we already found our bush. But the reason sometimes you find a bush at night is because you do stuff during the day, and then once it's nighttime, then you start looking for a place to sleep. Sometimes the day doesn't progress in a way where it's just you have a bunch of time in the evening to look for a bush before it gets dark. Alright, where'd the thing go? There you are. Alright. Hope you have a safe night, my friend. Yeah, you too, man. Kenny. Need something? A lady gave me some KFC. Alright. Let's go to the bush. To the bush. Let's turn on my tail light just for our road riding to get there. Canadian flag getting wrapped up. Jam, don't leave. Just roll back in there. Oh, you're back. Yeah, well, you're playing an absolute banger of a jam, so I had to come back. So a place to stay? Yeah, a sexy bush with ticks in it. Only know because I had a tick on me from scouting out. What happened? Why is there concrete on the ground? Is there concrete falling from the sky? Just middle of the road. The only possible solution or scenario is that that storm earlier dropped concrete out of it. Our sleepy little town. Maybe we'll go to the Co-op Foods tomorrow. What do I need? I'm out of dried fruit. Go for some more dried mango. I don't know if you'll find that in this town, but that would be nice. Look for the meteor. Is it supposed to be tonight as well?